Yeah, thank you, Dr. Manohar. Can you hear me?
Sir, thank you, sir. Please continue, sir.
Yeah. Let me wish all the participants and our guest speakers and chief guest of the day happy World Environment Day. And this is a very happy occasion that we are talking about a material which is very much eco-friendly, and it is being grown in many parts of the country, and it can be used for many applications. So my previous speakers have talked about the industrial perspective, and I'm going to tell about the research and technical development at the institute level, what IWST has been working on bamboo since last so many years. So this will be a brief account of the bamboo as a material and the technologies which our institute has developed. So let me start about giving a brief introduction about bamboo, although our previous speakers have told a lot about the bamboos, that bamboo is a very versatile material which has been serving the society and the mankind since time immemorial. And it has the industrial relevance also, not only for a rural application, but it can be industrialized, and industrial applications can be developed for construction and furniture, and so many different applications. Even handicrafts are being produced from bamboo. When we take bamboo at the industrial level, we need some kind of processing. And if the processing is eco-friendly and advanced processing is taken into consideration, the quality of the product can be improved and it can compete with the international market. So here we are going to talk much about how to improve the quality of the bamboo so that it can be used for different applications at the industrial level. First thing, let me remind just why bamboo is good. Everybody knows it is renewable. It is ready in a very short time, like 3 to 5 years. Bamboo is ready to harvest. Unlike the plantation wood, which takes minimum 10 to 15 years or maybe more than that to get the mechanical maturity, but bamboo can be mature within 3 to 5 years, depending on the species. And it is a very strong material, easy to work. Properties are much better than, are comparable to cement, steel, or exceeds the plastics, particularly when we take per unit weight. It uses very less energy in production as well as in processing, giving significantly lower carbon footprint. Like while processing, we do not emit much carbon as compared to other competitive building materials. And it has a positive effect on when we have bamboo all around us, we feel a soothing effect, and it is very good for the health also. Is bamboo good for the environment? Of course, there is no doubt about that. Bamboo is a eco-friendly, renewable material. One of the advantages of this bamboo in today's time, it has been underlined more because bamboo absorbs carbon dioxide and produces the oxygen. How much? 35% more oxygen compared to normal trees, and can absorb as much as 12 tons of carbon dioxide per hectare. So this gives a very importance of the bamboo, not only for eco-friendliness, also for the application point of view. This I will just escape because here just I want to tell that bamboo is also called a biosteel because of the high strength properties, particularly the tensile strength of bamboo is higher than the steel. That is why it is also called biosteel. And but at the same time, bamboo is a lignocellulosic material like wood. And it contains cellulose, hemicellulose, and lignin as a basic chemical constituents. So it attracts the biodeteriorating agents, and bamboo is a biodegradable material. It belongs to class 3, and its durability, if it is not treated, natural durability of the bamboo is less than around 2 to 3 years. So when we need to use the bamboo, it should be well treated and seasoned. These are multiple applications of bamboo. I will not go much into these details, just show the slides. These are the current and novel applications of the bamboo, which has been, you can see currently in the market and in the websites. Now, what are the general characteristics of bamboo? Bamboo, different species, they are available in different sizes. It is a straightness of the culm is an added advantage for the bamboo. Structure contains nodes, so if any fracture is there, the fracture is going to stuck at the node. So bamboo is very good for the construction as a construction material, and it is light but strong. That is what today's material science requires. Any material which is very light, but at the same time it should be strong as much as possible. And good physical and mechanical properties of bamboo as a material. It is medium to high density, lower shrinkage and swelling. Good flexural properties like bending strength is quite good. Stiffness is also very high, and it carries a high tensile strength, as I told. That's why it is called the biosteel. It is better than steel, and it is easy to handle, as our previous speakers have told. This is just a table which gives the comparative chart between bamboo, wood, and steel, and you can see here many properties are better than wood, and particularly the tensile strength is better than wood as well as steel. So, but durability, of course, is a question, particularly when we want to use bamboo on larger scale and exterior applications. So, there are 3 main causes of deterioration of bamboo. It is called fungal deterioration, and beetle attack or borer attacks, and then termite attacks. So, even a small amount of decay can deteriorate the properties of the bamboo and its performance as a product. So, we need to have some kind of processing of the bamboo in form of seasoning as well as in the form of preservation. So I will give just a brief glimpse of the seasoning and preservation, what our institute has done. Seasoning is nothing but removal of the moisture. When bamboo is green, it contains a very high amount of water in it. It is called moisture, and it may be 100% or more than 100%, maybe 150%. So that amount of moisture need to be removed from the bamboo if we want to use it for because dry bamboo is always carries the higher strength, and it is less prone for the deterioration. So seasoning we have to do in a different ways depending upon the available resources and the time. There are different methods of seasoning the bamboo. The one is the air seasoning, or the stacking in the shade, or kiln drying, or nowadays RF drying or microwave drying is also being used for quick drying of the bamboo. So these are the different techniques or methods which are being used at the industrial level for seasoning the bamboo. Second is the preservation of the bamboo, where we have to use certain hazardous chemicals which should be introduced into the bamboo in a different ways, so that bamboo will become it will not be attacked by the biodeteriorating agents like fungus or borers or termites. There are different methods by which we can treat the bamboo. There are pressure methods as well as non-pressure methods. So these are some non-pressure methods you can see where bamboos are dipped in the bucket. This is called the sap displacement method. These are very cheap and easy to handle. There are dip methods where just you put the bamboo in a solution of the chemical and dip it for some time, and then bamboo will be treated. Second is the low pressure method, where bushery methods are being used, where a small pump is required, and one side pump is attached, and the other side the preservative can come out after some time. This is also a cheap and easy method to treat the bamboo. And third is the high pressure method, as Mr. Karpe has shown you. This is the method by which vacuum and pressure is applied on the bamboo for deeper treatment of the bamboo using different types of chemicals. This is the list of the chemical which is shown here, which can be used for treating the bamboo. And different chemicals have different kind of efficacy, and they can be used for different applications. But it is sure that bamboo should be treated before making it used in different applications. Now, these are the different three technologies which our institute has developed in the past many years. Our scientists have developed it. And these are the first is the thermally modified bamboo, second is the laminated bamboo lumber, and third is the bamboo plastic composite. I will just give a brief glimpse of these three technologies. What are those? Need of bamboo thermal modification. What is the thermal modification and why it is required? We know that because of the environmental reasons and because of the legal pressure also. Nowadays, using the hazardous chemicals, particularly the chemicals which are hazardous for the mammals and for the soil, it should be used least, at least not for the residential applications. So what is the alternate for that? The thermal modification of the bamboo, just like wood, is a promising and environmental friendly technique. It is a chemical free technique where we are not going to use any chemical, but we are going to give the bamboo it will become decay resistant, as well as the it will borers and termites will not attack on this thermally modified bamboo. So this is a very simple technique, but it has a lot of advantages, particularly because it is eco-friendly and no chemicals are going to be used. Here, the bamboo is exposed at a high temperature under a controlled environment. We are using a partial vacuum for exposing the bamboo at high temperature. The temperature is to the tune of 220 degrees centigrade in a closed chamber, where we can create the vacuum, partial vacuum, and then bamboo is treated for a certain duration, so that the chemicals present in the bamboo, naturally chemical present in the bamboo like cellulose, hemicellulose, and lignins, are converted into such a way that the bamboo will become durable, decay resistant, and it will not be attacked by rots and fungus. This process also improves the dimensional stability of the bamboo. Like bamboo will become more dimensionally stable because of the change of the moisture variation. There won't be much change in the dimensions of the bamboo product, and it enhances the moisture or water resistance, and also provides a warm brownish color. That color of the bamboo from whitish it becomes brownish. I'll show you some pictures. This is just a lab-based processing unit which we have in our institute, and we are trying to develop at the industrial scale. Many industries have approached us, and very soon we will be developing it at the industrial scale.